Habibi, come to Dublin chicken and rice. Now come here. Look at the shawarma. That's made by a Lebanese chef with over 25 years of experience. 100% fresh Irish chicken. Now here, now we have the homemade chili sauce. It's all homemade. Show that's the rice, plain rice, and then we got the special rice, kabili palau from Afghani kabili palau. Look at that meat, it looks so fresh. Now here, this is the special part. Look at all these grills. We got all these grilled chicken, these chicken wings, all these. Come on man, look at this. This is a half chicken, full on chicken. Habibi, give me my shawarma.
Here you go, Habibi. Enjoy the shawarma. Thank you so much.
Next time, you're in city center, Dublin 1, don't forget to give a try to Dublin chicken and rice.